Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Candy Crush, focusing on the game's core mechanics. Players simply swipe to match 3 or more identical colorful candies, clearing them from the grid and earning points. This simple action forms the foundation of the entire game, providing instant satisfaction. Consider how easy it is to learn but challenging to master, offering a timeless appeal for players of all ages. Designing engaging levels is crucial for long-term player retention. Start with simple goals, like clearing 25 blue candies, then introduce blockers or limited moves in later stages. Carefully calibrate the difficulty curve, ensuring each new challenge feels achievable but requires thought. This progressive learning curve keeps the experience fresh and motivates players to continue their journey through hundreds of levels. The visual and audio presentation significantly impacts the game's appeal. Employ bright, cheerful colors and distinct candy designs that are easy to differentiate, even for colorblind players. Crisp sound effects for matches, power-ups, and level completions provide immediate, satisfying feedback. A cohesive aesthetic, combined with playful music, establishes an immersive and joyful atmosphere that encourages players to keep playing. To maintain long-term player engagement, introduce exciting special candies, like those that clear entire rows or columns, making the gameplay dynamic. Offer daily bonuses and limited-time events to encourage consistent player returns and new challenges. When considering monetization, focus on optional purchases, such as extra moves or cosmetic items, that enhance the experience without forcing players to pay to progress. This approach respects players and builds loyalty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.